Now the next question, question number 7. Express each of the following integers as a product of its prime. Here we have to find the prime factorizations of the given number. Taking first 945 हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है एज द प्राइम फैक्टर्स, ठीक है, यानी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर, यानी कि 945 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिवाइड इट बाय 5. वाई? बिकॉज वी नो दैट every number having unit digit 5 or 0 always divisible by 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40 and 5 9 जा 45. Again divide by 3 because it is not divisible by 5. 6 3 जा 18 and 3 3 जा 9. Again divide by 3, 3 2 जा 6 and 3 1 जा 3. Again divide by 3, 3 7 जा 21, 7 1 जा 7. It means 945 can be written 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. It means 3 power 3 into 5 into 7. This is the prime factorization of 945. Again second 468. First of all we have to find the factor. It is divisible by 2 because it is even number. 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6 and 4 2 ja 8. Again divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1 and 7 2 ja 14. Now again it is divisible by 3 because its sum is also divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. 3 1 ja 1 and 3 3 ja 9 is 13. Here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. It also can be written 2 power 2 and 3 power 2 into 13. क्लियर है बात सभी को? ठीक है, देखो ध्यान से 3 1 जा 3 and 13.